All right, traders, what's going on? Welcome back to another trade recap. So in today's session, we had a really nice short trade where the volume was looking great in the markets and then price started to go very, very choppy. Now, you cannot control when the markets go choppy. You can only control the position that you are currently in or yet to take. We had a beautiful short setup and we were looking like we were going to get some good volume, and then price started to go very, very choppy. And as price started to go choppy, I didn't just hold my position hoping the volume was going to pick back up. I understood the markets for exactly what they are. And as price started to go choppy, I started to reduce my risk. So today's trade recap shows the importance of reading the markets from that neutral perspective and managing your position to the best of your ability. So sit back, relax, and enjoy today's recap. Daily time frame has wicked out all of them daily lows that we mentioned when we were trading around this candle. It's grabbed all of these lows and still closed back above. Previous hourlies just flipped really bullish. So we had that fake out, we broke that support, fake retest, now closing back above. Because on this gold, we are around this kind of this big level is a big like left shoulder head, right shoulder. And we have a lot of room to fulfill to the downside as well. No bottom wick on this current 5 just yet. We may just grab the previous 5 and then start to have a little drive lower. Now, pretty strong push down towards the end of this 30 close. So the last 5 of this 30. Got this 1, 2, third drive into highs. Potential reversal sign. Price has tried to break out, broken straight back below. So you've got a nice fake out there. Stop loss is around 22 pips, which is pretty nice. I'm going to have a sell stop on this current 5 on gold. But if it doesn't flip in this current 5, then I think we could maybe grab some highs a little bit more, and then we're just going to wait. Yeah, I'm tagged in on that gold trade. Let's see how this 5 is going to close now. Let's see how this 5 is going to close in 40 seconds. Going to bring stops below this previous low here now, only risking 14 pips. We've not grabbed any previous 5-minute highs, which I think we're going to need to do. If we don't drive in the next couple of minutes, then I think we'll wait for the hourly. But we can I'm going to bring my stop here and only risk 9 pips. If we break this high, I don't want to be in this. 9 pips stop loss, which is nice. We're just grabbing that previous 5-minute high now. But because we're coming close to this hourly candle, even if this candle does flip like this, we're still going to need to come up in the next hourly. So coming back down to my entry, now I'm bringing stop above this current. If we re-break the current, then I don't want to be in this trade. So stop loss is above the current high. If we re-break that, we will take the loss of 6 pips. I don't want to see this current 5 broken again, because if we re-break this, then I think we could, once we break back above this level, see this continuation. I'm going to be quite aggressive here. I'm going to put my stops to break even here. Be quite aggressive because we're not driving. Break even on this little play. Yeah, see 30 is still at a big level. I think the next 30 could still come up and retest. If this 5 does all of a sudden close like very bearish, then I may open it up and give it a little bit more breathing room again. But I kind of want to see how this 5 minutes is going to close in 15 seconds. 15, nah, bottom wick on this 15. No, I am... Yeah, I'm out. Yeah, I'm out, man. I'm out. Break even. Yeah, 15. It failed to close below the previous low, and now we're having that drive back up. So yeah, we're gonna wait for a little bit more. But that was a nice clean trade, nice management there. We reduced the risk as price was moving in our favor. We grabbed the previous 5-minute high, but we're not. I would have wanted to see this current 5, this previous 5, break below this level. Give me a nice confirmation that we would have closed below there, and then I would have opened my stop again to give it some breathing room. But the fact that we're still respecting this intraday 5-minute support around 161, I'm personally just going to wait for maybe a little bit more of a closure below that. Good trade, good break even. Let's just wait for a little bit more volume, see how this London Open comes for us. I'm trading this on the top step account, or trade it on just pay commissions instead, depending on what account size you're having. I personally would rather pay commissions than spreads all day, but for top step, no. I just pay commissions, which is $5 per contract. So I traded 3 contracts there. So P&L 0, but then you're minus $15 because you've got 3 contracts. But 3 contracts is a pretty decent position size.